3 things your dog does when he thinks you are his mom. Firstly, dogs often shadow their owners, sticking to them like glue. This behavior stems from their natural instinct to seek protection and guidance from their caregiver. When feeling scared or down, they seek comfort from you just like a puppy would with its mom. Your presence and soothing voice provide them with a sense of security and reassurance. Your dog looks up to you for guidance, trusting your judgment in new situations. As their primary caregiver, they rely on you to lead the way and keep them safe.